Brentwood is a family-owned company headquartered in Reading, Pennsylvania. We've been around for 55 years approximately, in our third generation of Rye family members owning and running this company.
It went from being a small custom job shop to a business with product lines and dedicated customer channels and lots of innovation and entrepreneurship to grow it into the company that it is now.
We have operations in the United States and around the world, and core competency is plastics, processing plastics and developing products for specific markets, often using plastic materials in innovative ways.
One thing that sets us apart from other companies and from our competitors is our great diversity of products and markets that we serve, but also of our capabilities. We have these large format machines to make the widest parts, the longest trays, the deepest tubs, and also the technical products to treat the most difficult applications for our customers. We're constantly evolving our products to make them better.
So that means it needs to perform better, last longer, or be significantly cheaper to manufacture through some innovative techniques, using more cost-efficient materials, more environmentally friendly materials. All of these sorts of things are sort of embedded into our culture when it comes to business expansion and development.
Although it's not visible to every person every day, what we do here serves a bigger purpose. We are able to get power to areas that need it. We treat water that people drink every day and the water that's returned to streams. We package critical life-saving medical devices, and we develop tools that help people do their jobs every single day. And I think that every employee at Brentwood is aligned behind these purposes, driven to continue to have an impact on the world around them.
Greatness at Brentwood is due to our employees. Without our employees, obviously, we would not make things, we would not sell things, we would not invent things. There would be no Brentwood. I'm fully dependent on all of our employees to embrace their role and pursue greatness, and they do. And that's what makes Brentwood great.